What's up, guys? Good afternoon. Welcome back to another video. I took a week off for Christmas and New Year's, but 2 weeks since the last video, so I'm a little bit delayed in everybody else saying this, but Happy New Year. Hope you had a Merry Christmas and got to spend some much needed time off from work and with your family, and that you've started this new year off with a newfound energy and you're ready to go attack your goals and New Year's resolutions if you really set those. I feel like those are just set up to fail after 15 days or so. Anyway, let's get into today's video. I'm going to talk about a fuel sump and the different types of sumps that you can get, different companies that you can get them from, and really why they are beneficial over like a draw straw in your tank or something else. Quick side note, guys. If y'all don't have a pressure washer, this is my first electric pressure washer I've ever had. So Sunjoe, got it off of Amazon. I think it was like 150 bucks, maybe less, maybe give or take. But I've had it for a year and a half now, flawless. I haven't used these for soap because I have a foam cannon, so it helps with spraying the truck off with a quick wash or more extensive wash. But so you're not sitting there scrubbing bugs off the paint and everything. The pressure washer is perfect. And also if you want to do a quick wash, it's better than the hose because it gets more dirt off and everything. So without further ado, sprayed the truck off. I didn't wash it or anything, but look at the beads from the wax job. Oh, it makes me feel so happy. So about fuel sumps, most people that get a sump also get or I think you actually have to get a lift pump, aftermarket lift pump, whether it be AirDog or Fast. Those are the two most popular companies. I have a Fast 150, but regardless of that, a sump is good because it's going to draw fuel from the bottom of the tank, and yes, that's where all the sediments rest, but that's why you have extra filtration in an aftermarket lift pump that the stock fuel filter wouldn't supply. So a draw straw is going to draw up to the top of the tank from the bottom, and you can run into quarter tank issues because the straw can't be touching the very bottom of the tank, but the sump is on the very bottom of the tank. Also, draw straw is a lot harder to install because you have to drop the tank, which leads me into the type of sump that you should get. So most people get a single feed sump. It's got a single outlet and that's it. So basically you still have to cut the fill neck in half and put your return line into there because your lift pump's going to return some fuel, and it's a little bit more work. I guess technically you still don't have to drop the tank, but I didn't want to go through that, so I went with a sump that's got a feed and return, so it's a dual purpose sump. Mine is XDP. I heard that Beans, which is the biggest sump manufacturer, the most reliable one that people usually go with, they just came out with a dual feed and return sump as well, so good news for you guys. But the dual feed and return helps you when you're installing your sump and your lift pump not to drop the tank. Some people might still want to, but I don't have a garage. I don't have really anywhere but my driveway to work on the truck, so I didn't want to drop the tank and go through all that trouble by myself. And so I just drilled a hole in the bottom of the tank, drained the fuel out, stuck the sump up there, and called it a day. And everything's been good since then. I've had it for over 2 years now. No leaks, no nothing.
The sump, guys, it's really filthy right now, but you can see I have two lines going to it. There's a feed and a return. It is a single hole design, so there's not a bunch of bolts going around the outside, which is a bunch of places that it can leak. Same thing as the Beans. This is just an XDP. It's a single hole design. It's got two clamps on it, but they go up through the middle, and it's a single seal all the way around with the gasket. So that's what is going to prevent those leaks. And you can tell I'm going up to, sorry everything's filthy right now, but the feed and the return, going up to and from the fast, really short, simple, and sweet, and it works flawlessly.
So in my opinion, fuel sumps and lift pumps really go hand in hand. Like, you should do both, not one at a time. You can't really do one and the other. I guess you could, but you'd have to buy extra fuel line and everything. So again, like, no quarter tank issues. You can run it all the way to E if you want to. I have a couple of times. I don't like doing that, but if you're in a pinch, there's not a fuel station around, you know, you're gonna be okay. You're not gonna run out of fuel. Also, on like heavy accelerations and stuff, you shouldn't run out of fuel. Also, if you need to drain your tank, all you gotta do is loosen that up, it'll come out. So there's a lot of benefits to getting a sump, and the dual feed and return so that you don't have to drop the tank is awesome. So I'm gonna do a little research, and I'm gonna put the link for the XDP, the one that I have, in the description below, and I'll try and find the Beans sump as well so you can get a price comparison. But let me know what else y'all like to see, and I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more content and things to come in the coming weeks and for the 2019 new year. I got a lot of things planned, a lot of things coming soon actually, so stay tuned. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.